In today's video, we'll be looking at Windows 10's backup feature and how we can use that to save our files and documents in case something happens to our computer. All we need to do is search backup or just back in the settings after pressing the Windows key, and from here we've got our backup history. Now if I had an external drive, I would add this to my computer, click add a drive, and once the drive would be found, I could back up my important files and settings to that drive, and once I started a new copy of Windows 10, I'd be able to install that backup and have access to my settings and photos, which I'd put on that drive. From here, we also have options to try and backup and restore from Windows 7. As you can see, this device doesn't have any from Windows 7, however, if it did, we'd be able to get it from there. And we can also choose the right backup option for us. There's typically 2 to 3 different ones, which they offer. Legacy, which would be in your hard drive and is not available on Windows 10. However, they do offer new options such as a cloud-based backup where you can back up your files via the internet storage, and also an external drive backup, which is the most secure as it's physical and you can ensure its safety. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.